print a hoodie signs. First things first, let's put some tack on here. Alright. I've already got the platen in the location it needs to be. So what I'm going to do is take my hoodie. Don't worry about this one. These pockets are always off, so don't line up according to them. Okay, make sure it's square, because these aren't cheap. Okay, good. All right, flood it. Again. Looks good. Flash it. Just hit it again here. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and hit it again, because I don't like, just in case. And with this one, I'm going to cure it here on the platen. One minute. Nice and smooth print. Very happy with that. Customer's gonna like it. Okay. There you have it.